Hi Milo Nation, it's me Melina, and I'm going to be doing something extremely different today. My boyfriend had ordered a few different types of meat from, what's called what?
Fossil Farms.
Fossil Farms. So basically you can buy any animal underneath the sun, and he chose Russian Razorback boar, kangaroo, and lamb. So the kangaroo and the lamb are in sausage link form, and the boar just looks like a regular beef patty. And here's what it looks like. Here's the kangaroo, here's the lamb, and here's the boar. He spit out 2 out of 3 of these things, so I'm kind of afraid to try it. But I heard the boar tastes really good, so I'm going to save that for last. And I'm going to try the lamb right now.
No.
Trying to make him sound like some kind of shady individual.
You bought meat from a random website.
Oh.
Some guy decided.
Why do I have to get up?
Okay, the lamb doesn't really have like a distinct taste. It's a little smoky because it was grilled. And that's pretty much it. I say it's just really smoky. For the kangaroo. Ugh. Sorry about that. I did not like that at all. As soon as you bit into it, I could feel like juices rushing into my mouth. And I just did not like the overall texture. It was a little rubbery on the outside, but chewy on the inside, but very like juicy, which kind of just not good. Okay, so now I'm going to be trying the Razorback Russian boar. By far not bad. Probably wouldn't eat another bite, but it's Well, this was not clickbait, as you guys can see, but I don't know. Don't know. Well, that'll be it. Alright, bye.